Moving on to the next type of energy, we have talked about gravitation potential energy. How is it related with height? अब हम move on करेंगे towards kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Now, the kinetic energy of an object is also known as its kinetic store, and it is defined as the energy of an object which has a result of its mass and speed. Why is kinetic energy there? Due to its mass and due to its speed. Whenever an object is moving, the moving object will have a kinetic energy. Gravitation potential energy कब होती है? When an object is raised to a height. Gravitation potential energy. But when an object starts moving in a speed and it has a mass, this means that an object in motion has kinetic energy. For example, this car is moving at a speed of 10 meter per second and has a mass of 600 kg. It has a mass of 600 kg, and the formula for kinetic energy is also given over here, which is 1 by 2 into mass into v square. So if I apply the formula 1 over 2 into mass kya tha mera 600 and velocity was 10 square. This is how you calculate kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy can be calculated using the equation of Ke is equal to half mv square, where Ke is the kinetic energy in joules, m is the mass of the object in kilograms, and v is the speed of the object in meters per second. So here आपके पास formula. So now we have two formulas. What was the formula for GPE? It was mgh. And what is the formula for kinetic energy? The formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. We have a worked example over. Calculate the kinetic energy stored in a vehicle of mass 1200 kg, which is moving at a speed of 27 meter per second. So if you look at the kinetic energy, I'll apply the formula half mv square. What is m? M is 1200 kg. And what is v? 27. और इसका आपने square भी लेना. You have to take square of 27 and then you'll get your answer. So again, step by step, first you have to list the quantities. The mass of the vehicle was 1200 kg. The speed of the vehicle was 27 meter per second. Step number 2, you have to write down the formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. And then step number 3, you have to solve. So आप तीन काम करने. Whenever I give you the questions, first you have to list the quantities, then you have to write the formula, and then you have to solve and give me an answer. And that answer should be up to two significant figures. So अगर आपके पास आंसर आ रहा है 437,400 joule, you have to round it off to two significant figures, which means only the first two digit तक round off करना है. So 437 को आप 4 पे round off कर देंगे. So 4,40,000 joules of kinetic energy was there in a car. Got it?